This is very urgent update for all BTT holder, my brother. Bittorrent has completely failed down from previous days. What's the prediction? We predicted this coin and this time, and absolutely after this I give you, my friends, what good news. The good news is very important for all BTT holder. Let's get started this brand video. Kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone, my brother. So let's predict this coin, and after that I give you, my friends, very good news. So the good news is very important, my brother. Kindly don't skip. You can see, my brother, this time the BTT is completely, after a good jump, my friends, fails down, and they more fails just in only they down, my friends, especially in especially in the last 24 hours, my brother. What's the main reason? The main reason is that especially the short-term investor, when they're starting selling, then they are completely fails down. Not just unique BTT, every cryptocurrency fails down, and exactly, my friend, and this time the all crypto market is a very bad fail, my friend. It's completely in the dumb, my friend, in the crypto market. So therefore BTT is also fails down. So the main reason, the second reason is also that, my brother. But absolutely after a very good fail, after a very bad fail, my friends, they also take a very good jump. So I hope in upcoming time there is a chance they will change occur will be positive now, and the change occur going to positive. So I hope, and the price is 0.0049425 USD dollar. I hope, my friend, at the end of this month they will give you 0.1 USD dollar just in only at the end of this month. So you need to hold and wait for the end of month. All right, let's check out the last 1 hour chart. So what's going on, the latest update. The good news is that, my brother, to kindly you just subscribe this channel, and absolutely I do a giveaway of BTT coin, my brother. So the giveaway is coming soon. When you complete my 10,000 subscribers, absolutely I do a giveaway, my friend. So you need to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.